In this video, we'll provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Nzqw. This Nzqw is the ransomware that belongs to the Decrypt ransomware family. However, my video is only for the educational purposes, of course. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other files. But then, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So after restarting the computers, users suddenly realize that they can no longer access the files. The files get damaged and encrypted, and this Nzqw extension gets appended to the file names. So it's a special extension, Nzqw, and very soon users see that all their files have been given this additional extension. And the trouble is that removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted by this Nzqw ransomware from the Decrypt family. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start the program and begin researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner Antivirus is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data in the future. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. So consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always ask for the free trial. And in the description to this video, you'll find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.